Leah, before we get started, which one should I pick? Which one? It's important. Anywho, thank you so much for being here and interacting with my videos. We're going to fill your envelope, and you're also going to get a follow from me. Aaliyah, you chose 54. I have to go find it, so let me do that and I'll be right back. So, I was trying to find your video, or your envelope, and I couldn't, and I was going through, and I'm like, damn, I don't have any 50s. So when I wrote out my envelopes, I did 1 through 50, stopped, and then did 60 through 75. So everything between 51 to 59 were not done, so I had to go and actually make the envelope, and I didn't even realize it until literally right now, so thanks for that. Your envelope is 54, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get into it. Into the envelope. Now into the safe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.